Hello guys. So in this session we are going to learn how to install .NET Core SDK on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Okay. So let's start to install .NET on Ubuntu. So first of all here .NET Core is a free and open source software framework for Windows, Linux, Mac operating systems. Okay, and it is open source cross platform successor to .NET framework. Okay, that's the simple and short introduction about .NET. You know .NET, right? So let's start to install .NET on Ubuntu. So first of all, to install .NET, we need to download and install Microsoft keys for Ubuntu. Okay, so first of all, here we need an instance. So as you can see here, I have successfully launched my instance and I have successfully connected to my terminal. So you can see the Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, so that's the latest of Ubuntu. Okay, so first of all, let's download and install Microsoft keys for Ubuntu. Okay, so first download and install Microsoft key for Ubuntu and using the below command. Okay, so let's start. Okay, it's done. Then after that, let's install Microsoft keys and feeds deb package. So using the following command, it's done. Okay. Then next is let's install dependencies package first and then we are going to install .NET. Okay. So first of all, let's run this first command that sudo add apt repository universe. Enter to continue. So as you can see, it's done. Okay, so let me clear screen first. Okay, then the next one is let's update our system package using the command sudo apt-get update. Okay, then next is let's install the apt transport HTTPS. It's done. And in last, after that, let's update the system package again. Okay, it's done. Okay, now it's time to install .NET Core SDK. Okay, so let's install .NET Core SDK using the command sudo apt install .NET SDK 8.0. So here we are going to install 8.0 .NET version. If you want to install another, then you can go to the official site of .NET and you can install the .NET version whatever you want. Okay, so yes, I want to install. So as you can see, it's done. So we have successfully installed .NET. So if I enter .NET, as you can see the details, that means we have successfully installed .NET. After that, if you want to check the version or details about .NET, then you can enter the command .NET version. Sorry, you can enter the command .NET hyphen version. You can see 8.0.117. Okay. Okay, that means we have successfully installed .NET 8.0 version. Okay, okay. Then after that, let's creating .NET Core project. So let's create directory name test project. Okay, so let's create a directory with the name test project. Okay, and as you know the command sudo, sorry, to create directory, the command is mkdir and your directory name test project. So let's enter the command ls. So as you can see, the directory that we have created test project. So let's inside the test project ls command. There is no any files, right? Okay. Now let's create a new .NET project name with first technique. Okay, you can give the name whatever you want. Okay, so let's create a new .NET project. So the command is sudo .NET new console -o and your project name. So my project name is First Technique. I'm inside the project. Let's enter the command. And as you can see, the welcome to .NET 8.0 SDK version, install ASP.NET Core HTTP development certificates, right? And as you can see here, the template console app was successfully created successfully and restore succeed. Okay. Now if I run the ls command, as you can see, the folder that we have created using this command .NET new console -o and your project name. Okay. Then after that, let's inside this folder, First Technique. Now if I run the ls command, as you can see here, the folder which program.cs, firsttechnique.cs project, obj folder. Okay. Now let's cat, or you can enter whatever you want. You can see cat program. You can see here in this. See this for more information and console right line hello world. If you want to check this in detail, you can check here. The template for more information, console right line hello world. That means the output will be hello world, right? When we run this .NET, that output will be hello world. So let's check. So I'm going to clear screen first. And now, after that, now the next is let's running .NET Core project. So let's run this command sudo .NET run to run .NET project. And after running, we need hello world output, right? So wait a second. So as you can see, the output is hello world. Why? Because in this program.cs, there is we have code that hello world. When we run our .NET project, that means we have successfully installed .NET on Ubuntu, and we have successfully create .NET project with the name First Technique, and we have successfully run this project, and we have output, right? That hello world. That's it. It's done, right? So in this session, we have learned how to install .NET Core SDK on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So thank you for watching, and I hope you understand.